Customs officials on Sunday blocked trucks loaded with grains at Shargalle village of Dutsi local government area from gaining access to Mai'adua International Market in Katsina State. According to traders, there are 4 trucks usually convey maize and Guinea corn from Dandume grains market on weekly basis for decades without any hindrance from security operatives. It was, however, alleged that the customs officials had suspected that the traders were transporting the commodities to markets in the neighboring Niger Republic. Traders in a chat with Trust TV News denied the allegation, insisting that their destination was Mai'adua Market in Katsina State. With the intervention of the divisional police officer in Dutsi local government, both the traders and the customs officials agreed to convey the grains to the local government headquarters, few kilometers away from Shargalle village.
Abincinmu za a hita da shi muna cikin yunwa. Dole ne mu daura ta su gani. Wallahi tallahi. Ana kasa babu abinci ga abinci na motoci ana hita da shi.